hungry. Ugh, this is heavy.
My child.
I'm sorry, Mom. Next time, don't do that. If you need anything, call Mom. It's okay, don't worry. Wow, look at the rainbow dress, Mommy. It's amazing.
And this red sequined one is just stunning. Dancing and spinning, having fun today.
Look at my rainbow dress and skates. Mommy, I want you to do my makeup too. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. Look wonderful. Look amazing. I love my sparkle.
Are you ready for our big adventure today, sweetie?
I can't wait, Mama. Let's hurry. Wow! 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 Whoa! Wow! Look at that! Wow! Amazing! Wow! 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 Gisanity, wow! 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 Wow!
Wow, look at all these people.
They're cheering for us. I know. Let's go wave to them. Okay.
Are you ready? Coming down the spiral now, give it up for the coolest cat on the catwalk. Put your hands together for our star skater. She's bringing the heat to the runway tonight. Welcome to the 12D stage. Are you ready for the sensational entrance of our next star? Let's hear it for her. Welcome to the 12D stage spectacular. Are you ready? And here she comes, lighting up the runway. Give it up for our star. Welcome to the 12D fashion stage. Put your paws together for the one and only spectacular skating sensation. Look at her go. What an entrance. And now it's time to dance. Let's hear that applause. Spectacular entrance. Let's give a huge round of applause for our star as she hits. Are you ready? Let's hear it loud for the one and only stellar skater hitting the runway right now. Are you ready for this? Skating onto the stage right now, it's the one and only incredible Kitten! Make some noise! Are you ready for the main event? Here she comes, live on the runway!
Feel the rhythm, feel the light. We're gonna skate all through the night. Together we shine so bright.
to the diamond runway. And now, get ready for the most spectacular show on the 12D runway. Make some noise for our stars.
We love you all. Thank you so much for coming out tonight.